Hello students, this is Krupa Lakhani. I hope you all are doing well. Today we will learn Chapter 7 Microsoft Word 2010. Microsoft Word is a word processing software. We use a notebook to write words and sentences. In the same way, Microsoft Word allows us to type the text on a computer. A word processor is an application software that helps us to type, edit, and format the text. What can we do with my MS Word? Type text as well as add pictures in a document, make changes in the text such as inserting, deleting, copying and moving the text, give a presentable look to the text by using different colors and styles and effects, can keep the document error free by using spelling and grammar features, find and replace the text, set margins, spacing, paper size, page borders easily and give a neat look to the document, save the text for future use, print a part of the document or the entire document. Starting Microsoft Word. First, click on the Start button. Second, click on All Programs. Third, click on Microsoft Office. Fourth, select the Microsoft Word 2010. The open application of Microsoft Word displays two windows on the screen. The larger window is called the application window and the smaller window that is inside the application window is called the document window. The application window helps users to communicate with the Microsoft Word program. The document window is used for typing, editing and formatting the text. Components of Microsoft Word 2010. First, title bar. The title bar is on the top of the screen. It displays name of current document and application in the center. Second, quick access toolbar. It contains buttons for the most frequently used commands. By default, save, undo, redo appears on the quick access toolbar. Third, backstage view. It helps in creating new documents, saving, opening, printing, sharing documents and so on. Fourth, ribbon. The ribbon is located just below the title bar. The ribbon contains several tabs on it such as File, Home, Insert, Page Layout, etc. File tab. On clicking File tab, we can create a new file, open an existing file, save a file, print a file and perform other tasks. Document area. It is the large area where you type, edit and format the text. Ruler. It displays margin setting, tab setting and indentation. The vertical ruler measures the height of the work area. Status bar displays the page number, number of words, zoom option, etc. Scroll bars. There are two scroll bars in the Word window. The vertical scroll bar is located to the right of the document window and horizontal scroll bar is present at the bottom of the document window. Creating a new document. To create a new document, click on the File tab and select New option. The backstage view appears. Select the blank document option from the available templates section and click on the Create button. The new document appears. Entering text in a document. Remember, do not press the enter key when you reach the end of the line. Keep on typing the text. You will find that the cursor automatically gets shifted to the next line. This feature of Word is called word wrap. To start a new paragraph, simply press the enter key. How to select text in Word. Place the cursor before the text you wish to select. Hold down the left mouse button and drag the mouse over the text to be selected. Release the mouse button, the selected text gets highlighted. Adding new text. Place the cursor at the point where you want to add the new text. Start typing the required text. The typed text will appear in the document. Saving a document. Click on the Save button on the Quick Access toolbar or click on the File tab and select the Save option. The Save As dialog box will open. Type any name for your file in the file name box. The file will be saved with the extension .docx. Exiting MS Word. Once you have finished your work, you can exit the MS Word application. Click on the File tab, select the Exit button. If you have not saved the changes in a document before exiting, Word prompts you to save it. To print a document, click on the File tab and select the Print option from the displayed menu. You would see the preview of your document on the right side of the backstage view. Now click on the Print button in the center pane. Thank you and have a nice day.